Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Apache Superset login problems, role and access errors step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific error message displayed during the login attempt. Check if the username and password are entered correctly, ensuring no typographical errors. Verify that the user account exists within the Apache Superset database. Access the Superset configuration file to examine any role or access settings that may be affecting login. Navigate to the User Management section in Superset's administrative interface. Confirm that the user has the correct roles assigned. Check the permissions tied to those roles to ensure they allow access to the application. If necessary, modify roles or permissions through the Superset interface. Look into any recent updates or changes made to the Superset instance that could impact user access. Inspect the Superset logs for any error messages that might provide further insight into the login issue. Ensure that the database connection settings are configured correctly in the Superset configuration file. If using LDAP or any external authentication, verify that these systems are functioning properly. Restart the Superset server if changes have been made to configuration files or user permissions. Test logging in again after making the necessary adjustments. If the problem persists, consider checking community forums or Apache Superset documentation for similar issues. Explore potential issues related to the browser cache or cookies, advising users to clear them if needed. Document each step taken while troubleshooting for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.